babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave. If you are a returning subscriber, so happy to have you guys back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get these very big wave type curls using my T3 iron. This is the 1.75 and I will be demonstrating on this gorgeous wig from ft.ISee hair. This wig was the perfect body wave hair to definitely put some more layers into because it is a layered unit. It came in a middle part and I turned it to a side part just to show that closures definitely do have some sort of versatility, and you guys see the whole swoop at the side going on. And this is a 9x6 closure, so it stretches a long way, which allows for you to do a middle or side part. It already came layered, so as you can see, the front pieces here is short. It came as short as this, and the front piece here was short as well, which just gave me a guide on how to just do this effortless layered look, and I am loving the results of this unit. And if you are too, definitely give me a like, and let's jump into today's tutorial using this gorgeous 9x6 HD lace layered wig unit from ft.ISee hair. So we are back and these are my end results. This hair is so silky and you can tell it is good quality because when I was using my curling iron, none of the hair burned off. If the hair is any type of mixed fiber, this T3 iron will definitely be able to tell you. I can safely say it is not that. It is 100% virgin and I'm loving this unit. ISee Hair sent me this 9x6 HD lace wig unit. It's a closure unit, of course, 9 inches by 6 inches. So I was able to get a very realistic looking parting space, even though I shifted the wig to the side, and it is on the M cap wear and go system. So as you can see, the unit is glueless. I did not have to use glue. I did put some hair for the sides by the baby hair so it wouldn't move while I was doing it, but as you could tell in the beginning, I never needed to use glue. I'm loving this unit and I'm loving the look that it's giving right now. It is very Barbie doll-esque and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This iron is a game changer in the way how your curls are gonna turn out. You need a bigger barrel in comparison to the smaller barrel iron to get these curls for sure. I've never used a small barrel and it came out like this and I'm loving this. It's giving effortless, it's giving wifey, and let's just get into it. Like, so tea. This hair was the perfect hair to layer because as I had said before in the intro, it came layered already. So once you do chop chop chop, you'll get some Farrah Fawcett looking vibes going on and I'm living for it. If you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from ISee Hair, don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box. So far this unit is a 10 out of 10 for me. You cannot beat a side part closure. Like, it's giving frontal without the frontal cost. ISee also has a lot of discount and coupon codes, which I will leave below. Their website is always on sale, so you will get a bang for your buck. This unit was very beginner friendly and the wear and go system with the M cap allowed it to be 100% glueless, which I love. Super beginner friendly. And definitely let me know how you like it. Check out ISee's website and purchase this unit. Follow along to this tutorial and let me know how you like it. Send me pictures of your results because I would love to see. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.